Got a big kick out of how to do this stuff. So here we go. I've got my, let me just pan over here. Got my Profishark sitting here, and it's in line between my laptop and the network. And there's a USB cable right here, and it goes to my laptop. And here's my software. So the first thing I did was I set up a folder and called PC Traces. I use a default name. Here's the important part right here. Create a new file automatically after, and you can choose whatever you want. So I'm going to actually choose 1 minute. So create a new file automatically after 1 minute, and then stop after one file. So basically I'm going to get a 1 minute trace. That's what I'm going to do. And that's the reason why I do that is I want consistency. I want to be able to hit start, power on the computer, and then within a minute it will stop the capture, and that way I can do 2 or 3 traces and it'll always be the same time interval for every single trace. Now this is kind of important to know your tools. So right now the laptop's not turned on, and you can see the LEDs here. So I'm going to come back over to my laptop. I'm going to hit the power button. I'm trying to do this looking through my camera. And now as I turn on my laptop, the little LEDs will change. The outer LEDs right now are not on, so just give it a moment and you'll see the lights will change. And the reason why this is kind of important is if you don't do this and you're in, I'm going to say, a troubleshooting scenario, and you're trying to troubleshoot for the first time, and it's the first time you paid attention to these lights, you're going to think, oh my gosh, there's something wrong. You're going to start freaking out, checking cables, checking ports, checking interfaces. And all you need to do is practice this before you get called out in the field. So there you go. So there's that. And if I go back to my laptop, it's now powered on. All right, folks? So I'm going to share some of my findings with you, but I thought this was like a little setup video.